Hello mga kapuso! It's time! My name is Marcos and this is a Go Gamma game! And welcome to the Lapland and we're going to the cinema! It's a romance with the peoples! We are going to the cinema on the Lapland Go Gamma! Ito, basta maghintay natin. Meron cinema. Meron pong cinema. Bida sa barangay. Mga kabarangay! Yung Lapland ay pwede natin to. Sorpresa! Yes! There's a tree house.
Hi guys, welcome to my husband's nighttime skincare routine.
Log on to KFC.delivery.com.ph or grab anything
That's it, good night.
KFC, so good.
Hi guys, welcome to my husband's
PLDT
nighttime
Home Tel Pad
skincare routine.
PTA Commissioner's Cup is brought to you by PLDT Home Tel Pad. Upgrade to a Tel Pad plan.
That's it, good night.
Wow.
The PLDT Home Tel Pad PTA
Ito pagkatapos ng
brought to you by
show.
Basta ano ha?
Tel Pad. Upgrade to a Tel Pad plan that
UP.
Parang baliwan.
Bakit?
Sira ka ako.
Sinira yung bakod? Nino? Ha?
It's not poison.
Ano?
Bakod.
Sino
Paw
sinira?
Patrol.
Ano ang tao doon?
Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Mananin tayo. No, kami ang mga malang.
Ano yan? Tupi.
May cellphone mo. George!
Ngayon oras po namahalan sa batang mahalan sa nga naman na school. Okay. Poison. Poison. Today, after church, fiesta, and before fiesta, school, and
finish line na iba. Para sa'yo, simula pa lang,
radyo na pera.
yan ang lakas ng leaders. Tunay na lakas ng Cobra. Gusto ko pa! Ikaw!
Gusto ko ba? Cobra! Cobra.
Yan ang lakas ng leaders. Tunay na lakas ng Cobra. Gusto ko pa! Ikaw! Still using the same old razor? Use Gillette Bluetooth Plus. It has 2 chromium-coated blades.
You can't tell me which one I can.
100% yan. Log on to KFC.delivery.com.ph.
Yes.
KFC, so good.
The PLDT PLDT Home Talpad PBA Commissioner's Cup is brought to you by PLDT Home Talpad.
Boss? Can I press that?
The PLDT Home Talpad PBA Commissioner's Cup is brought to you by PLDT Home Talpad. Upgrade. The PLDT Home Talpad PBA Commissioner's Cup is brought to you by
Malambot ang gusto mo rin.
PLDT Home Talpad.
Upgrade.
I know you watching over us. Please, it's really
Sinagot?
important.
It's not so.
So, kunwari, 6 p.m. na dito, 9 p.m. na sa Pilipinas. So, kung
Loading out. Dapat din.
Ingay natin, hindi ko matin.
6 fresh eggs and milk, but
Ow! Yay!
some days can get a little crazy. But with Food Panda,
opens up the scoring with a three-pointer. Akas lagi isa ng tunay na lakas. Cobra! Gusto ko ba? This will give Raider Shine a 3-point
When,
lead. Here, Gregor.
Make life delicious with 100 pesos off your favorites. Order now from
try again.
Our assistant coaches, they are ready. Kita mo naman right away, assistant coach Richard Del Rosario mapping out their defensive game plan.
Excellent shot na to atin sa atin. Steady hand tools and power tools. Performance in action. Thor with ang paglalabas.
I have it.
Pinagkita nito, may 4.8 seconds na differential sa game clock at shot clock. They want to trap
Good
one.
morning,
Nearly taken away on easy though. Si Devance nasa backcourt na. Baka nga naman hindi yung rin bagong import na may 5-second ball hockey ka, no? Easy with one to shoot. Somebody's gotta take it.
You need to stop. Yes.
Jeffrey up to the rescue.
So first and foremost, yung ginawa
Well, alright.
2-minute warning has been announced. Last 2 minutes para sa tagisan ng tunay na lakas. Cobra. Gusto mo ba? Raider shot for 1-point lead. 10 seconds to shoot. Jericho goes to the spin. That's an offensive foul on through.
Morning.
Kuya.
Jesus, thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. The school is done. Go to the cinema.
Nash!
Nakausap niyo na ba si
Asa
BK?
na? Sarado mo yan. Basta kasi akala niya aalis ka.
Cinema.
Mabigat. Pagka sila yung nagdalawa pa din talaga sa Amoroso patadali na naman
Yeah.
Sino ba kalaban? Bukod kay BK.
Yay. Yay.
Hindi, bukod nga. Hindi nga. Kumbaga yung dalawa
Yay.
tingnan natin kung
Cinema
mapapisa
tayo.
natin.
Cinema
Sino ba
tayo.
kalaban? Kumbaga, iba. Iba Jetro.
Hello po. 10 pesos. 20 pesos po.
Anak ni Ama. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Oh
Junior.
my God.
Ano naman kulot?
I want to just squeeze coffee soda, popcorn, and all. No.
Si Emil ulit. Pwede ba mag-grele? Hindi naman pwede mag-grele ka.
Sa TV5.
masarap na
Burger sa labas, panina sa loob.
Meron po one term lang yung sticker, man.
Babies,
Kasi medyo may edad na sila. Ang naalaw lang 18 to 21 o 20, 25.
We used to fold with caution.
Try again.
Now,
Try again.
intent.
Try again.
Hindi, ganito na lang. Ganito na lang. Sa opening. Sa opening pare, nagpaalam na
It's a
ako eh.
terror.
Hindi ako papasok na opening.
I don't
Hindi
like
ako.
it.
Tapos si BK, kontakin ko. Ah,
I want romance.
Pretty girls. Robots.
Made by ATC Healthcare, your trusted life ally.
Slaughter ties the game at 84.
Goodness me.
oh, sige. Anong problema yun? Eh, mahirap nga naman yung
Yeah.
dalawa pa sila sa Amoroso. Tatalo, basta magdalawa pa sila.
Sa tamang presyo, araw-araw, ito, tama mo.
Din, 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 din.
Pare, abot na yan. Here we go. Here we go. Hindi makamulat kasi.
I'm full.
Here we go. Baka may inom. Here we go. Here we go.
I want more. Thank you.
Bayaw.
I want more.
Napakalapot naman.
Eh sige. Pag-usapan na, hindi nga talaga pwedeng magdalawa sila. Kailangan isa lang. Sabihin mo kay Baya, huwag niyo i-DDL, baka wala nang bumuto.
Yes. Tapos na.
Tapos na agad eleksyon.
Ngayon na. Exit! Yay!
Sige, sige, gano'n na lang.
Ito. Yes.
Sige. Sige, pare. Okay, kumusta na lang dyan.
I want
Kaya
to.
pinabaya ko munang nakatakip eh.
Pakalapot. Talagyan ko ng kanin.
Ayos lang yan, yung labot na yan.
Ay, nako. Ayaw
Kaya mo siya nakatakip.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum. Thank you. See you again. See you again. Tapos na ang cinema. Yes. Okay, bye, bye, bye. And then go ticket, please. Thank you, bye, bye, bye.
Nakala-Richard na rin sila. Ano ba gusto ni Richard? Si, si
Thank you.
Jay,
See you
siyempre.
again. Bye, bye, bye.
Si Magat.
I finally did it.
Eh, hindi naman natin kasi alam na gusto pala tumungkol ni Jex eh.
Inudyo ka nila eh.
Kaya nga.
Si Biggie eh.
Matagal na si Biggie
Go
eh.
na, go
Saka
yun.
ilang taon na ba si Jex?
Bata pa yun.
Bata pa yun.
17 pa naman.
Eh,
Si
si
Biggie, 20.
Go.
Biggie
Biggie
sana.
muna.
Eh si Jex may pagkakataon pa sa susunod. Di ba?
Ah.
Si Amang naman ni Dad, hindi na siya. Ano?
Eh, alam mo naman yung may desisyon ba yung tama?
Bakit siya na magsabi na...
Lalo na kay Richard, hindi ano yun. Takot lang yun.
Parang kasarap ng Mountain Dew ng mga gago. Ano ng Mountain Dew? Si Udin at si...
Wala eh.
Ayan o.
Sila Mountain Dew eh.
Kailangan...
See you again tomorrow. Matulog na, bro.
Siyempre, hindi naman mapakla.
Hindi pa tapos ang laban, pero nagsimula na ang kanyang selebrasyon.